Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys 3 different WhatsApp tips that you wish you knew earlier. Alright, the first one, I'm going to show you how you can be able to make yourself untracked on WhatsApp. So to protect yourself, click on this 3 dots at the top right corner and go to settings. Then go to privacy. Then scroll down. As you can see, we now have this option, advanced option. It's advanced option newly. So this advanced option, just click on it just to protect your IP address when you're on calls. So when someone knows your IP address, it can be very much easy for the person to track you if he or she is a hacker or something like that. So you can be tracked if your IP address is easy to be gotten. So for you to protect yourself the more, kindly activate this option here. So mine is activated already, as you can see. Just activate yours for you to be protected on WhatsApp. So the second option that I'm going to show you is that previously we knew that you can't even find groups on WhatsApp, you can't find your communities. The community was added newly some months ago on WhatsApp, but you can't find any place that you just find your groups or communities only on GB WhatsApp. But today it has been made easy for you to find any of your communities on WhatsApp. So just click on this 3 dots at the top right corner. As you can see here, there's option, community options. As you can see here is it, communities. So once you click on it, every community that you are in will display here immediately, and as well the group that created your community. So as you can see here, all the communities are displayed, so I don't need to go and search for them in my search bar again. Alright, the third one that I'm going to show you is off receipt. As you can see here, let's just go to settings and click on privacy. So we are going to talk about privacy today mainly. So as you can see here, I have this my read receipts on. So what's the work of this read receipt? When this read receipt is on, you can be able to know when someone has viewed your message. You can be able to show people that you viewed their message. You can be able to see people that have viewed your status as well. But when you deactivate this, people can't know when you view their message, and you won't even know when those people have viewed yours as well, and you can't know how many people have viewed your status. So you have to make choice. If you need to off it for your own privacy, that's left for you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video as well to everyone that is using WhatsApp. So if you like this video, so subscribe and remember to on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos like this. Thank you guys, bye.